Hey, it's Arjun, CEO of Doola, and in today's video, I'm going to walk through everything you need to know about Doola's total compliance plan. Let's dive right in, and I'm going to break down everything you need to know about formation, EINs, registered agents, business bank accounts, annual filings, federal tax filings, bookkeeping, and more, and how Doola can help you handle all of this so that you can focus on what you do best while Doola handles the rest. First things first, when it comes to starting a business, many founders think, okay, I need to get my business off the ground. But what many people overlook is that after formation, the journey doesn't end. In many cases, you're just getting started. This is what led us to think and innovate. What if we could create not just a way to start a company, but a way for a founder to compliantly form their company and keep it compliant year over year? We had a vision for a business in a box, and that is exactly what we have created with our all-in-one total compliance package. Doola has helped thousands of entrepreneurs not just start their dream business, but keep it compliant year over year. We've helped founders in the United States, in India, in Europe, in over 175 countries all over the world. So it doesn't really matter where you're based. Our goal is to democratize access to US entrepreneurship and help you start your dream US business. And the way we do that is with our all-in-one business compliance solution called our Total Compliance Package. Let's dive in here and start from the top. The first thing you need when starting a business is a company. You can form a company in all 50 states in the US, LLCs or C-Corps using Doola. Now, when it comes to formation, the biggest issue is there are many ways to form a company, but not many companies will help you post-formation. In Doola's Total Compliance Plan, we will help you form your company, whether it's an LLC or C-Corp in all 50 states. In order to form a company, only a couple key pieces of information are required. We'll need your name, an email address, your address for our information, and then some information on your business. Be sure to check out our Doola University courses on not only how to sign up with Doola, but the exact information we'll need to get your business started when it comes to formation. When we help you form your company, Doola is going to provide what is called an Articles of Organization. And the Articles of Organization is the document which says your company is official and it has been formed with the state. Next up after formation, you're going to need an EIN and an operating agreement. Let's actually start with the operating agreement. By forming your company with Doola, we will provide a template for your operating agreement. Think of the operating agreement as the bylaws for your company. They dictate the rules, the structure, the ownership, the voting rights, and who is actually running the company. If you are a single member LLC, it'll just be you. If there are multiple members, you can add multiple names here and add in any clauses, statutes, or rights that you would like to add. We'll also help you get an EIN or an employer identification number. An EIN is critical for any business in the US to get a US business bank account. It is required. But the way I'll describe it here is think of an EIN as the social security number for your business. Any US citizen has a US social security number. It's how the government identifies the individual. Any business in the US can get an EIN, and that is how the IRS will designate and tag your business. In order to get an EIN, you have to fill out Form SS4. The good news is Doola will help you get this as part of our total compliance package. If you are a US resident with a US social security number, we can apply online and get this form in a matter of days. If you do not have a US social security number, don't sweat. You'll have to fill out this form, we'll help you with that, and then we'll fax it to the IRS and we'll be able to return it in a matter of weeks. Once you do get your EIN back, Doola is also going to help you get an EIN confirmation letter, also known as Form 147C. This is what this form looks like, and you can use this form as proof of having an EIN, which you can then use when you're opening your US business bank account. Before we jump ahead to business banking, another critical requirement in all 50 states in the US is your business needs a registered agent. Think of a registered agent as a liaison between the state, the IRS, and your business. There is a requirement for the registered agent to be physically located in the state of your business. They must hold an office and have office hours during working hours Monday through Friday. They must be physically present and available in case a legal notice is sent or your company is served. You might be thinking, why don't I just be my registered agent? That is a bad idea, and here's why. The first thing is, if you are your own registered agent, the address that you provide will then go on the public record. You don't want your personal information going on the public record. By having an outsourced third-party registered agent or using Doola as your registered agent, your personal information and privacy is protected, which is critical. No one wants strangers showing up at their doorstep. The second thing too is that you have enough focuses and worries as a business owner. You can let someone else handle the registered agent obligation so that you can again focus on what you do best while doula handles the rest. Now, one other thing you might want when setting up your business is access to a US business bank account. The good news is doula has a suite of partners that we work with to help you, whether you live in the US or live outside the US, set up a business bank account. Check out our videos in Doula University on how to apply for a US business bank account, and check out our content online if you have any questions on that part of the process. But rest assured, with the company Doula helps you get, with your EIN and operating agreement, with your EIN verification letter, and with your registered agent obligation satisfied, you have everything you need to open and apply for a US business bank account. We've now covered the effective tools and services needed to get your business off the ground. Post setting up a US business bank account, you might also want a payment processor, and you can use a company like Stripe, which Doula partners with, to get that set up. But many things now happen that many founders overlook. You've gotten your company started, but what happens next? And this is where Doula's Total Compliance Package truly offers incredible value. I'm now going to run through the suite of compliance needs that are required when setting up your US business. The other things you need though are 1, state tax filings, 2, bookkeeping or accounting, and 3, federal tax filings. Let's dive into each of these. State tax filings are due either annually in a given month, depending on which state you formed in, or on the 1-year anniversary of when your business was formed. Think of this as the fee you were paying to the state for having formed your business there. Doula's Total Compliance Plan handles these annual state filings for you. And here's the critical thing. If you do not make these annual state filings, your business is again at risk of immediate dissolution by the state. In addition to annual filings, something which is also critical is keeping your books in order. As part of our Total Compliance Plan, Doula offers Doula Books, the ultimate solution to stay on top of your company's finances, and it easily integrates with your existing bank accounts for a way for you to manage all of your transactions in one place. Cash inflows and outflows, income reporting, sending invoices, and more. When setting up your business, the most important thing you can do is set up a business bank account, and that way you can keep personal and business separate. All of those transactions will then show up in Doula Books. This means when it comes to tax filing season at the end of the year, in the spring, your CPA who's doing the filings will be easily able to go look at transactions and reconcile anything as needed. The great news is, as part of Doula's Total Compliance Package, CPA consultations are included with a certified US CPA. I'm going to say this one more time. CPA consultations are included. If you have any questions during the year leading up to tax season, we are here to help. And this is again fully included through our Total Compliance Package. The last 2 final pieces I'm going to run through of this package provide, in my opinion, some of the most value you're going to find out there. The first is help with your federal business tax filings. That's right. With Doula's Total Compliance Package, we are not only going to help you prepare the forms, but we are going to actually file the forms for you with the IRS for your Total Compliance Package. So you can stay 100% compliant and avoid fines of up to $25,000. Again, you can check this out directly on the IRS's website. There can be penalties of up to $25,000 for not only forgetting to file this form, but if there's a typo or the form is filed incorrectly, you can incur late fines or fees. Instead, what if you could defer this or delegate this to a professional who's done this thousands of times for many entrepreneurs just like you? What we do is we'll not only help you prepare the form, but we're going to file it for you so that you have full peace of mind that your company is 100% compliant and that you are avoiding any fines and fees. In addition to those business tax filings, we are also going to provide you with a dedicated account manager, someone who you can email and get a dedicated timely response. Someone who knows your business and your situation, and not only was with you at formation, but is with you when you're doing 6 figures or 7 figures or 8 figures of revenue or more and growing your business. Doula provides a dedicated account manager as part of our Total Compliance Package. And we do this because we know at the end of the day, sometimes you just want to talk to someone. You want to have a point of contact, you want to be able to send an email and get a response with someone who actually understands your case. With all of that in mind, Doula's Total Compliance Package, again, provides forming a company in all 50 states in the US, a virtual mailing address which you can use for your business address with the ability for mail to be sent, scanned, and uploaded so you can access it from anywhere in the world. An EIN, an employer identification number, so that you can get a business bank account. An operating agreement to set up your company bylaws. A registered agent to fulfill an obligation and requirement in all 50 states in the US. We help you with getting a business bank account through our partners so that you can start transacting in US dollars from anywhere in the world. We help you with your annual state filings in all 50 states so that you can stay 100% compliant. We provide you with doola books, self-serve bookkeeping tools to keep your books in order to make tax filing season a breeze. We provide you with CPA consultations so that through the year when you have questions, you can talk to a trusted certified CPA to get trusted answers. We provide you with business federal tax filings to avoid fines of up to $25,000, and we provide you with a dedicated account manager. Now you might be thinking, all of this must be costing me tens of thousands of dollars, or does it cost $25,000, the amount of fines you might pay to the IRS if you are late in filing certain forms? Nope, not at all. We've worked really hard to bundle and put this together in an affordable package which can help you have peace of mind so that you can focus on what you do best while Doola handles the rest. Doola's total compliance package waives the cost of formation. It's included. And for the cost of $300 per month, that's $10 per day, you get all of this on an ongoing basis so that, again, you can focus on what you do best, and Doola is going to handle all of the unsexy yet critical back office needed to keep your business compliant. You can also pay a one-time annual fee of $19.99 to save $1,600 in fees. The good news is you can even start on the monthly plan and pay $300 per month, and when the business is doing more in cash flow or you feel comfortable, you can upgrade to the annual plan and get the cost savings. And not only would you have one point of contact, but by combining these offerings, we're actually able to offer them at a lower price to you by using technology to automate and streamline and pass the savings along to the end founder. Doola is here to help you and your business. So whether it's a monthly plan, whether it's an annual plan, or whether you're ready to start in the future, Doola is here to help when the time is right for you. I hope you enjoyed this video on Doola's total compliance plan. And last but not least, if you have any questions about anything that I just ran through, or you just like to talk to someone to run through our total compliance plan, you can schedule a free consultation. We have a team that is based around the world. We are here to talk to you. We know that your business never sleeps, so neither do we. With our global team base, we are here for you 7 days a week to provide consultations and support, not just when you start your business, but when you run it and grow it and turn it into a massive success. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to work with you to help you turn your dream idea into your dream US business.